Hello and welcome to WebPlus. We're going to look at how to watermark your images within WebPlus, which is a very handy feature as it means you don't need to keep separately watermarked versions of all your images, saving you time and disk space. Watermarking is effectively a way of branding or identifying your images and serving as a deterrent to them being used without your consent. We'll start by inserting an image onto the page. From the Quick Build tab, select the picture frame and click anywhere on the page, then add a picture from your pictures library. Click the watermarking option on the context toolbar to bring up the watermark box. From here, we can add both images and text to watermark our image. We have the choice of choosing from a number of presets or creating our own from scratch. A particularly good preset is third along from the top row, the lock symbol. By default, it's perhaps too small and intrusive for our tastes, so we can change this very easily by navigating to the Settings tab and altering some options. If you don't see the image options, look to the bottom of the dialog box and expand the Image option. First of all, we'll tick Drop Shadow to give the symbol some depth. Next, we'll bring the scale up to 200%. Finally, we'll bring the opacity right down to 7%. The transparency and increase in size has resulted in the watermark having a background presence without being too obvious. In addition to the lock symbol, we'll now add some text, so expand the text option and tick the text box. The buttons to the right of the text field allow you to easily add copyright symbols. In this case, we'll add the small copyright C, followed by our name and the year. At first it may be difficult to notice, but the text has appeared in the top left corner and is black in color. Using the color swatch, we can change the text color to white for this example, and we can relocate the text to the bottom right using the layout option. The text is small, so we'll try a font size of 72 points. You can type in a custom size too, so we'll try 82 points to make it slightly bigger. We'll also take the opacity down slightly to 70% just to help the text blend into the image. Finally, we can move the text away from the absolute edges of the image using offset X and offset Y. To move the text inwards, you will want to use minus values, so we'll try -20 for both X and Y. This should make the whole composition look a little neater and easier on the eye. You can also use your own images as watermarks if you wish. Objects or logos with a transparent background will work best for this approach, and ideally they should be grayscale rather than color so as not to interfere too much with the images. Simply click the browse icon with the 3 dots and navigate to and select your image. Then make the necessary adjustments as we've seen before until you are happy with how it looks. As a final note, when you add a photo gallery object to your page, you can automatically watermark every image within that gallery. This is covered in more detail in the photo gallery tutorial video. That concludes the tutorial on watermarking. Do experiment with both image and text-based watermarking, and consider the impact your watermarking will have on your viewers, which may inform how heavily you choose to watermark, or indeed if you choose to do it at all. To find out more about WebPlus, see the Learn section of the Startup Assistant. Thank you for watching.